Here we go. Sresia 4. Moving through here. Green light. Watch out. People are still applying the... Ooh! Somebody wasn't paying attention in front of you or behind you. This is why we wear gear. So you need a level 2 back protector.
My feet got stuck in. Look, I'm driving with a shoe off, bro. My feet got stuck.
I know, dude. I know, man. But look.
What you want? Some insurance or something?
Is this guy... What the... My foot got stuck. You see me driving without a shoe. What, you want insurance or something?
You good, bro? It ain't my fault. My feet got stuck in. Look, I'm driving with a shoe off, bro. My feet got stuck.
I know, dude. I know, man. But look.
What you want? Some insurance or something?
Well, we gotta do the report.
That shit barely fucked up.
I know,
bro.
but look, I'm not even mad right now, but
It's just a little ass hit tap.
You don't really have to file the report if you don't want
your
to.
license. Hey, your license. Yo.
Honestly, those types of people just, it blows my mind. It blows my mind that the accountability, I just can't stand people not taking accountability. I just can't stand it. I can't stand it. It's embarrassing when you take accountability. It's a hit to the ego. It's everything. But this guy right here is an absolute ding-dong of a human.
And they didn't stay for the police to show up.
Or he has warrants, yeah.
Where are you located?
All right, Canada, right. Here we go. Watch out, big long line. Who's gonna merge? Nobody's gonna merge. Don't know. There it is. You start to recognize these patterns. It's because the bus pushed them. But you start recognizing these patterns when you're riding a lot or seeing a lot of these crashes and close calls. Let's take a quick look at this one. So once again, that big long line off to the right, people are stacked up. They don't want to be stacked up. Our lane is moving. He's in a good position for safety. I would actually be more over here on the left side. And the reason why I'm saying he's in a good position for safety is because look at the line of sight. We got a space cushion here. We don't have a good space cushion off to the right, but we do have an escape off to the left. So he's in a good position for safety. You can't make everything perfect. You can do what's best for that situation. But part of that is locating the hazard and adapting to it. And that's what he did. Very, very careful with that. So get ready to swerve left if you have to. Now that bus is pushing this person with the ladder out of the way. So it's not really that person's fault. It's kind of the ladder, or not the ladder, it's kind of the bus's fault. So great job with the swerve. Don't rev bomb. Don't do that. He lost his phone because he doesn't have a quad lock. Link in the description for 10% off.
Idiot.
Calling him an idiot, but then it's like, oh man, hey, I'm pissed off. I can't find my keys, but the keys in your pocket and you already yelled at everybody. And now you feel like an idiot. I feel like this is one of those situations. John Nick. Oh, don't do this. Lane splitting at high speeds. Oh, now we're gonna get upset that this person did that, but he found an escape path. Give him that. But I'm not giving him anything else. Yeah, now we're gonna slow down. Why? That's a cop pulling somebody else over. Oh my gosh. So here we go. What we're gonna learn from this is obviously don't ride like an idiot like this. Okay? Absolute dumb. Super dumb. Don't do this. So what can we learn from this? Look at the little bit of space he needs to get out of situations. Let's pretend it's in reverse. Let's pretend all these vehicles are stopping on us and we're going the speed limit. Let's pretend that. Every one of these vehicles are stopping and we are just going the speed limit. So if these vehicles stopped up ahead, let's say we're going the speed limit. Oh crap, these vehicles just stopped. What do I do? I'm gonna smash into the back of the vehicle. Oh, I'm gonna crash. We have to find that escape path. How do we get out of here? He found the escape path. There's the escape path. That's all we needed to do. Okay, look at that little bit of room. We found the escape path. We're good to go. Yeah, this is miles per hour. Okay, cool. Now we're getting up to here. Let's say we're riding. Okay, we're just riding. We're planning our ride. We're on this spot right here. Good line of sight. Good space cushion. Now let's say this red car just slammed the brakes. Uh-oh, what do? We got to switch lanes. We just adapted. Hey, we're doing great. And we're all going the speed limit now. We're still going the speed limit. Everyone's just slamming the brakes. And we got this vehicle up ahead. Okay, we got this big semi. Now, what do we do if they're gonna switch lanes on us? Oh crap, I can't stop in time. I gotta switch, I gotta get out of here. I gotta find another escape path. I gotta find an escape path. Now this is my escape path. Hitting the rumble strip's a little bit scary. Oh no, what do? I still keep going. We found that escape path. Now, why did this truck switch over? Well, typically they switch over because there's somebody pulled over on the right side. So, at the end of the day, if you're gonna ride like an absolute ding dong, you gotta be really good at escape paths. At the end of the day, if you're riding the speed limit and people slam on the brakes, you gotta find escape paths. Here we go. So we got a right turn coming up. We got an intersection and a deer. Ooh. Ooh. Hopefully that looks like motorcycle pants. Like motorcycle pants, motorcycle jacket, gloves, helmet. Looks like we got some boots. This is a smart rider. Sometimes this kind of stuff happens, but he's got gear. So you see how he's walking, he's doing fine. He wasn't speeding. Okay, typically speeding. Oh, no.
You okay?
Oh,
Typically speeding.
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Want me to call anybody? I got my phone.
See, look at the. I'm just like shocked by the deer just
Oh,
fumbling in the.
Need the adrenaline, bro.
Yeah.
All right, so let's take a quick look at what he checked his knee.
Oh.
That's scary.
Yeah, the deer lived in quotes.
Oh.
Look at his knee. These are motorcycle pants. This is gonna be heavy denim and Kevlar lined pants. You could see a little bit of the scrapage on the bottom, okay, but it handled itself. And look at the knee. It started. It just barely started. Barely started to rip. That right there is why we have gear, motorcycle jeans. Imagine it ripping through and now your kneecap is gone. Full gear. Let's take a look at the actual situation. We know he hit the deer, but what led up to the deer? Okay, right here. Oof. We got a right turn coming up. He's going the speed limit. He's handling it pretty well. Oh no. There's the impact. We weren't speeding. Right knee hits. Sliding on that knee. Look at, very good job having the gear, because you could not prepare for that deer coming out. You could not prepare for that deer. So smart rider, Colonel, did a great job, man. Okay, Wolvesa, here we go. Uh-oh, find escape. Good job with the escape. Get back in there because you don't want to hit any. Ooh, see how the escape almost disappeared? The shoulder disappeared? Did fine. Check out the full uncensored video. I think we are about to do a rescue review. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is first. Ooh, got some. Ooh, road rash. Got some road rash. You guys want to see level 1, level 2, maybe even level 3 road rash?